Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Ron. This is Genius Home Theater, and I want to quickly talk about what Genius Home Theater is all about. Genius Home Theater is for the home theater enthusiast that doesn't have the luxury of having a dedicated theater room. Now, don't get me wrong, dedicated room is any man's dream, but believe it or not, you and I are the majority. Most people in this hobby do not have a dedicated theater room. Like most, we've created a slice of heaven in whatever space we can find. We are constantly exploring ways to get that home theater feeling, but we need new ideas, new technologies, and new techniques in order to inspire us. And that's where Genius Home Theater comes in. For the last 18 years, I've been transforming my living room into a space where I can enjoy the hobby I love, overcoming all of these obstacles along the way. And these are some of the things that I want to share with you on this channel. I hope to convince you that obstacles only inspire us to be more creative. Of course, we can be creative with our wallets, but sometimes it's going to require our hands. This is the channel where DIY and home theater meet. Now, we may cut a few holes, we may catch a few side eyes from our lady, but I guarantee the end goal is always going to be a professional finish. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to Genius Home Theater. I'll see you in the next video.